Hello everyone, I am Uncle T. Today, we are going to make a real spiral pill, which is also called Rasengan. I referred to some production methods, but it is a bit complicated for my nephew. And there is also a running motor inside, which is a bit dangerous for my nephew. I found a product, but it is quite inconvenient to wear to a child. So I have found a safer alternative solution. Powered by batteries, there is no motor to rotate, which is very safe and can be taken outdoors for play. There are more operating modes. Children can choose their favorite mode. The most important material is to buy a light strip, which is powered by a 5V battery and is very safe. Note that this light strip can be controlled by a controller, and there are a total of 4 solder joints on it. We can clearly see a chip on top of it. This is an integrated control chip. If your light strip does not have this chip, you may not be able to use the controller. The 4 solder joints of the light strip correspond to the 4 lines on the controller. One end of the controller is connected to a light strip and the other end is a power cord, connected to a battery. There are 3 buttons on the controller that can control the mode, brightness, speed, etc. of the light strip. Okay, let's first take a look at the effect of the light strip. I think everyone has guessed the materials for the next step. We need a Christmas tree. Oh, just kidding. We need a transparent plastic ball. Just the one on the Christmas tree. And then we need to remove this part to leave space for the wires. Be sure to wear protective goggles before operation. Then we roll up the light strip and put it into a plastic ball, without having to make it very neat, so it looks more like the flow of real energy. Let's turn on the switch and try it out. Is it already very similar? But I always feel a bit grainy. Let's continue dealing with it. Find a plastic bag. The one from the supermarket is fine. It's not very transparent and has a frosted feel. Let's cut the plastic bag and stick it onto the inside of the ball. That's it. Organize the light strip and make it more like there is energy flowing inside. Let's give it a try. Do you think it is better now? Let's try other modes. If you think it's better not to use plastic bags, then you can also choose not to use them. If you have good suggestions and improvement plans, please feel free to leave a message below for discussion. Your good ideas will make me do better. If you like my channel, welcome to follow, subscribe, share and repost. I am Uncle T. See you next time.